Hello and welcome to BQ Prime. A very good morning to all the viewers. I am Hiral Dadia. The markets have been trading under pressure. If you see in terms of Nifty 50 as well, cuts of over 100 points coming in there, and you have Bank Nifty as well. A mild recovery that has come in. We're down almost 276 points. We started off with cuts of almost little over 400 points in terms of Bank Nifty, and you have the Sensex, which is hovering little around those 66,000 levels. A lot of stock specific action is what we're witnessing in the broader markets. But if you see in terms of the large cap space, the advanced decline rate show is pretty much in favor of the bears. You just have 7 stocks which are advancing in trade today. Joining us on the show to discuss stock specific action is Ashish Maheshwari. Ashish, good morning and welcome to the show.
Thank you very much. Good morning to you and all the viewers.
Always a pleasure to speak to you. Ashish, my first question coming to you is with a Moto. What's your view with the various negative news that we've been hearing with regards to the rates, as well as the auto sales numbers that have already come in? What's your view on a Moto?
Yes, if you ask me, slightly numbers were on disappointing side because almost 46,000 vehicles were sold less from 4.36 to 3.91 lakh. Which is not that great number. I think if you ask me in terms of what Bajaj Auto and what TVS has reported, this was one of the worst performance of the Hero MotoCorp. But only silver lining is as their online booking of Harley Davidson X440 bike is getting close on 3rd of August. So some momentum is surely going to be there, and that's premium bike side. Because we are witnessing good premium bike demand compared to regular bikes. But nevertheless, slightly disappointing number. And whatever the ED rate related developments are also there in the company will keep upside in the stock in check for some time.
Right. So that's with regards to where Hero Motor as well as the other auto sales numbers go. You have DLF that is in focus as well. You have one of the promoters who's gone ahead and offloaded stake. What's your view on a DLF?
I think looking at the market cap size and looking at the kind of shareholding promoters own this company, this very minuscule sale. Slightly negative, but I think the market is going to digest this, and 700 crore worth of sale is nothing in large cap stock like DLF. I think again we need to focus on the numbers in this company, and like last quarterly numbers were pretty good, where their 12% growth was there in profitability, and the kind of new bookings are pouring in. I think DLF will be good stock to buy on any decline. Stock is already near 50-week high, but will continue to do well. So my thumbs up for DLF, and should be bought at any decline.
Right, that's with regards to where DLF goes. Another stock that we should be discussing is the NBCC. Infrastructure has been in focus. What's your view on NBCC?
See, if you see NBCC, last quarterly numbers were also good. Their profit went up by 71 crore to almost 113 crore. And I'm expecting last year what they did around 270 crore. They will do at least 400 crore of profitability this year, because the kind of healthy order book the NBCC is now having, they will do well. So before result also, which is on 10th August, this is a good buy. It should be added at 40 to 43 levels for sure in the portfolio.
Right. Moving on, Ashish, Tata Chemicals is another one to watch out for as well. Clearly, they've gone ahead and cut domestic soda ash prices by rupees 1,800 per ton to 30,500 rupees per ton. This will be negative for Tata Chemicals, but there could be some beneficiaries too out of this. So one is your view on a Tata Chemical, and who do you think would be the beneficiaries and what investors should do?
Yes, we are witnessing a lot of pricing pressure, not from this month, but from the month of April only, when this price cut started. If you see, last year was a dream year for Tata Chemical. Profit went up from 1,170 crore to almost 2,450 crore. So there will be certainly pressure in this year because the new capacity addition in Mongolia, and they will flood the market with cheaper soda ash globally. So they are going to face some pressure in US market also as well as Indian markets too. So it's a sale in my view. I'm not expecting that volumes or price will pick up in Tata Chemicals, soda ash, which is their bread and butter in near future.
Right. Moving on, Thermax reported a good set of numbers, though they were below what the street was estimating. The management, when I spoke to them, was not really happy with all segments. What they said was that they could have done slightly better, but the bets are pretty strong going ahead. What would you advise an investor to do with the Thermax?
Is Thermax, I think, as far as numbers are concerned, profitability was flat because of 51 crore one-time hit what company has taken this year in this last quarter. But ray of hope is they are sitting almost on 2,500 crore pending order book. At the same time, that revenue growth was almost 17% year over year, which is encouraging in my view. And their end user industries like food, chemical, or distilleries all are going for expansion. So order will keep on flowing. And even we have seen a stock also performing from 1800 levels. The stock is now almost 2600 levels. In my view, again, this is a good capital good related story and should be bought at 2500 odd levels.
Right, so that's with regards to Thermax. You have a Bikaji from the FMCG pack, which reported numbers as well. What's your view on the consumption space and your call on Bikaji?
Yeah, Bikaji is again a direct consumption-led story, and the kind of profitability growth is there. If you see from 18 crore to almost 45 crore in year over year, is quite encouraging. Even we are witnessing FIs, DIs, all are increasing the stake. FIs have gone from 3.7 to 5.5% in last 2 quarters. DIs have also gone from 9 to 13%. This shows the kind of confidence investors are having in this company. And very good growth in top line is also coming in Bikaji. So this will be surely a stock to added in long-term portfolio. 460 should be a good level to enter here.
Metro Brands, the stock is up almost around 5% in trade. And this is again on the back of numbers. Clearly, if you go to see, in terms of the top line, we've seen a growth of around 14 to 15% that has come in there. Clearly, it's a mixed bag because the profits have declined marginally. What would your view be on a Metro?
Metro, again, this is a consumption-led story, number one. And if you see from 105 to 93 crore, there's a slight decline in the profitability. But this is on account of Crabtex, which where they have taken a hit. Otherwise, their other brands are doing well. And with Crabtex now on fold, they will have Fila and Proline brands outlet also with them. So this is the reason that in spite of slightly weak quarterly numbers, nobody is just selling the stock and the stock is still near 52-week high. I'm quite bullish on Metro shoes stock because there's not too much competition they are having in the kind of brand range what they are offering. And this athletic wear or sport wear market is going up, going to grow by leaps and bounds in coming years. So this is the right time they have entered in this product, and it's a buy from my side, Metro at around 1,050 odd levels whenever we get.
Right. Thyrocare has stumbled in trade on the back of a weak first quarter. Clearly, the growth slowdown is attributed to a closure of the contract from MCGM. What's your view on a Thyrocare? Would you advise investors to book profits or continue to stay invested?
Yes, I'll advise to book profit. In my view, there's a lot of competition now, which is happening from players like Tata MG or PharmaZ, whatever the online apps were there, they have all ventured into this business. Even Lupin has entered into this business. So Thyrocare market leadership position will certainly, they will lose market because others are going to penetrate and get some market share. And we are witnessing also in numbers, though revenue has gone up, which is only solace in this quarter for them. But profitability is going to remain under pressure in coming quarters also. So it's a sale from my side.
Right. Apart from that, if you see in terms of a few of large cap names as well, I just want to quickly look at a few of them. Clearly, there has been pressure that has built in few of the names. Majority is Hero Moto. We've spoken about NTPC, Tata Steel. It's the metal packs which has been trading weak. How would you look at the metal counters from here on?
See, I'm not that bearish as far as metal is concerned. In my view, gradually they are getting under consolidation, and though there are some issues related to China, slowing growth, etc. But I think these are all addressable issues. Second thing is the domestic market is pretty strong still. The kind of capex is happening in government sector or infrastructure, and the kind of boom that we are witnessing in the real estate pan India, this is a sector will do well. So here I like a stock like JSW Steel and Steel. At the same time, I'm very bullish on the copper side because copper prices are not moved up for quite some time, and now time has come to look at the copper, and Hindustan Copper is my bet in this segment.
Right. So that's with regards to where overall stock specific action goes. Thank you, Ashish, so much for joining us on the show and sharing those views. So that's the individual stock specific action that we're looking at. But clearly, the pressure does continue. Almost a 500 points cut coming in terms of Bank Nifty, where we're trading hovering around those 45,100 levels, and 175 points coming in terms of Nifty 50 as well. That's all that we have on this session. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned to BQ Prime as lots lined up throughout the day. Thanks.